Hi, Dimitri. How are
Hi,
you?
can you sign my book?
Yeah! Woo! Look at it. It's a clacker board. See, I'd want to open it though.
I have another book.
You have another book. Are we signing both today?
If you want to, you can be the first one of the new one.
Oh, that's fun.
You can be the first one who signed the new one.
I feel very important.
You can sign this one and you can sign this one.
Okay.
And you can sign my first collection, my second collection. I have a weather for you.
Okay.
Why can't Elsa hold the balloon?
I don't know why.
She will let it go.
That's why she's not allowed to have it, huh?
And then can you sign the...
Yes, of course. I'll be the first one in here. Oh, how wonderful. And it's got the clacker board because I'm an actress, you know. Robert!
Oh, Madame Melville wants you to be in one of her movies.
She wants me in one of her movies? Stop it, really?
Yeah.
Really? Truly? You mean that?
Just keep it a secret.
You got it.
And then I have to... What's your New Year resolution?
What's what? New
You-
Year's resolution? I try not to make them because then you feel bad about yourself if you fail.
Mine-
But I think little short things are good to work on, you know? Small things?
Mine is to save money. I'm used to
Oh.
spending all my money.
I gave up on that one a long time ago.
And then, what do you like to do when it rains?
I love playing in the rain. Of course, I got to wear a bonnet over my head like a handkerchief.
Yeah.
And my hair gets all messed up. But I love taking little Ricky out in the rain. He loves that.
And then, how was your Christmas?
It was wonderful. How was yours?
It was good. I got sick on Christmas.
Oh, no.
So I
That's the worst.
So I decided to watch your TV show.
I'm honored. I hope I made you feel
and then what do you
better.
like to do when you're sick?
When I'm sick, chicken soup. Chicken soup and hot tea and toast. That always works.
Think you could take a picture?
Sure.